Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gamma Die Gamma. So I'm not gonna actually teach or cover any concept in this video, but I would just wanna say that it's this is more like a future planning video. Especially since I owe this to my subscribers for being with me this far and in the future. So you guys need to know that although I've been relatively inactive now, I am still there. I haven't quit, and I most probably won't for the years to come. So this video is sort of reaffirmation and like plans, goal setting. So let's get started. Be as blunt as possible as long as this video is. So here's the deal. The plan is I'm going to do some differential equations, which includes the next video. So the next video is like kind of a surprise. If you have any guesses what that could be in differential equations, what concept I'm covering, just like comment down and I'll tell you if you're right or wrong. I'll do differential equations, maybe like some basic methods. I don't want to reveal the names of the methods, otherwise it's a big turn off sometimes. And then I want to build like the motivation for a Fourier series development. Why we need sines and cosines, that is partly because of the second order linear differential equations that we have in waves. So which means I need to cover waves before I even start anything Fourier related. So I need to work with waves, the physics behind it, the derivation of the wave equation, modes, and sort of link them to the coupled oscillators video that I made. You can check it in the physics playlist. Now, once we're done with like the motivation, then I'm gonna build on the Fourier series. And you might notice this is one of the things that I left out in my mathematical physics streak of like 24 videos for Black Pen Red Pens challenge. So after I'm like done with waves and the motivation, then Fourier series, Fourier transform, and since we know complex analysis, inverting them. We'll do some examples, a good amount of examples on inverting them, because that's really important. And since we know complex analysis, or at least I've covered it, it's going to be pretty intuitive. Then sort of introduce modified Fourier transforms, but that's sort of going to be like just like a mention, because that sort of helps us get a good idea of Laplace transforms. And then again, all the properties with them. Inverse, yes, the inverse of the Laplace transform, there's no like one specific formula. Like there is actually, but people don't really use it, especially engineers. They don't really use it because heavy complex analysis, heavy like contour chugging, people don't really like appreciate that. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna show you how to do it, because we know complex analysis, at least I'm hoping you do. And then these two topics are sort of like the icing on the cake. Like I'm going to do them, like don't worry about it, but it's gonna be like in the, like towards maybe when I get a break, maybe winter break, or maybe like even next semester for me. So let's just see what happens. I'm like kind of running out of like topics. That's why I was like stuck with differential equations for the time being. And I think that's pretty much it. If you have any like sort of like topic suggestions, just like I'm gonna give my Instagram handle name, by the way, in the comment section. So just comment, because I think YouTube comment section is really bad when it comes to like privacy, or like people who want to reach me. Some comments get like shielded off or something because of the algorithm. So don't feel bad if I don't respond to your comment, because I try my best. So I'm gonna put my Instagram handle link. Any suggestions you have for videos you think my channel merits, deserves, or the viewers need, just like send a message, even if it's like stupid or something. I let me decide. Okay. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Nothing much. Stay tuned for the next video. And again, guess what it's gonna be. It's gonna be pretty interesting. I don't want to keep things too hard this time of the year. So let's see what happens, okay? So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. We're close to 1,000, by the way. We're like 40 away, I think. Yes, it's like 40 or 41 away. I think maybe 40. So just like spread it. If I reach 1,000, you know, there's like benefits for everyone, surprises, benefits, things for everyone. So, yep. Peace out.